All right, students, now we're going to run the simulation that we talked about in example 1. So in this simulation, we're going to go to the ProbSim app in our calculator. So apps, ProbSim, and you might have to search for yours. We're going to pick marbles. And let's go into set because we want to make sure that we're picking 50 at a time. So we're picking 50 at a time, and this rest of this is fine. Say OK. So let's pick. And in our first 50, we get 8 A's. And so we had set up here that we expected to get 10, and instead we got 8. So let's put that in. Okay, pick again. And keep running your picks until you've got up to 10 sets of 50. So I've got 17 on this one. So over here, this is obviously our total number of A's. So we've got our total number of A's. All right. Six. So we got another 9 that time. So we've been averaging about 9 each time, it seems like, not the 10 that we thought we would. 33. That time we only got 7 new ones because 26 plus 7 would give us 33. And what we should be seeing happening is that these should end up being about equal because we should be getting equal probabilities for each one, and we're not seeing that so far, but that's okay. So now we've got 42. So we got 9 again. And then 52. Now we got 10. There's our average we've been thinking about. $61, that's 9 again. $67, we only got 6. So we had expected to get 100 out of our 50, but I don't think that's going to happen. 73, 6 again. Okay. And 84 is our final number. So if we think about our averages, we ended up with a total of 84 out of 100. So, sorry, 84 out of 500. So let's come back to our calculator. Escape out of here. Yes, that's okay. Quit. Yes, we're sure. All right, so we ended up with, if we want our average, we ended up with 84 out of 500 picks. And of course, your numbers are going to be different for your simulation. Maybe yours is going to be closer to the 100 that we expected. So if we want to know our total per 50 picks, divide top and bottom by 10. That's going to give us an average of 8.4 every 50 picks. And this is a typo here because our average number of times that we got A in 50 picks should match 1B, not 1D. So we come up 1B, we said that we imagined we would get 10 out of every 50 picks. And we got 8.4 out of 50 picks. So it's not the same, but again, it's not the same because of our experimental probability versus our theoretical probability. And that's that simulation. We're going to come back in the next video and talk about what expectation is. So really, what we've been doing is expectations. So we'll talk about that.